Life comes at you fast. There is only so much time in one day, and our brains can only remember so much. This world is beautiful, full of people, rich environments, colors, emotions, moments. What if I told you that you could have the power to capture this beauty in the palm of your hand? We have the capability to capture more moments than we could have ever imagined. And you don't need expensive equipment, cameras, lights, and mics that will break the bank. In fact, it's easier than you think. All you need is your phone, a computer, and this little thing called a gimbal. First, you're going to have to go into the iPhone settings. Tap on camera, record video, and then select 4K at 30 FPS. This is going to allow your iPhone to shoot and record in 4K quality. Next, the gimbal. The gimbal is a stabilization device that holds the iPhone, and when activated, can help create amazing stabilized shots. And your imagination is the limit on what you can shoot with an iPhone and a gimbal. There are a couple of issues, like with any camera that comes with this technology. You may run into some quality issues shooting at night. Zooming in on an iPhone will also reduce the quality. Shooting in 4K also can drain the battery life of any camera. But there are portable chargers that will allow you to take a break and charge your iPhone back up. Your iPhone only has so much storage, but Apple gives you the option to buy more cloud storage, or you can just drop your images onto the computer. To do this, you can airdrop the files onto a Mac, or you can use the lightning cables that come with the iPhone to connect to the computer. Once you're done shooting, the post-production process is where you can see your videos come to life. Final Cut Pro offers many tools to help combat some issues you might have had in shooting. You can color correct to increase exposure on a dark shot, or bring out the color of any image. Sound is crucial in any video, and with Final Cut you can fix a lot of sound issues and add audio to your projects. The editing process can help you produce beautiful videos by trimming and cutting, adding transitions, and more. With an iPhone, shooting in 4K is made easy. This world is filled with beautiful things. It's up to you to go find them and share it with the world to see.